Hi again. Want to spend a little bit of time talking about evaluating a piece of real estate for your investment portfolio, for your long-term investment portfolio. And traditionally there have been three ways that people have evaluated what they ought to pay for a piece of property or what they want to sell it for. The first has been the gross rent multiplier, which just simply meant the amount of scheduled income times a multiplier, let's say it's 8, 10, 11, or 12, is what the value of the property is. I believe that that's the least effective way to judge it, but it's also one of the most common. The reason that I think it's least effective is because it doesn't take into factors like what do you expect vacancy to be, what is the debt service, and even more important, is there deferred maintenance that's going to cut down on your income and increase your expenses. The most common way that it's evaluated is through what's called a capitalization rate. And most listing agents of investment property are going to create a cap rate, which shows what your return on investment ought to be on a property with all expenses minus one very important factor, and that's debt service. What are you going to pay for your mortgages? Now, the reason listing agents don't include that in is they don't know what kind of mortgage the buyer is going to have. So it's a very effective way to market the property, and it's a good starting point. If, however, you're looking at purchasing a property, in my opinion, the only evaluation that counts is what I would call cash over cash. And that is based upon the amount of money you're going to put in to purchase the property, the down payment, the closing cost, the initial fix-up of the property. What is your cash flow going to be on an annualized basis? What return on investment are you going to get for the money that you put in? And in that way, we also look at what's your debt service. So when it's time for you to look at a piece of real estate and look at its value, you may be very, very aware of all of these items, or whether you are or not. If you'd like the help, we would be very happy to help you plug in your numbers and evaluate a piece of property for its value to you. Look forward to further discussions. Make it a great day.